Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it is Wednesday. I almost said Thursday. I'm a day ahead. And it is 81 degrees and I am leaving work and heading home, and it looks like it might rain. And it has been a very busy day full of meetings today, but it has been all right. It is healthcare week, and tomorrow we get lunch. Today we could have lunch if we went to one of the hospitals. I did not. We went to get tacos last night, and you got 2 tacos and chips and a drink for $5.99 at this one place called Tijuana Flats. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. I know that they do have them in other states, but if you have one in your state, I would highly recommend it. It is really good. They have a salsa bar where you can get your own salsas, and they make them, and they're just really good, and they go everywhere the salsas range from sweet, mild, all the way up to really hot. So I think they have something for everyone. And the salsas are more like taco sauce, not really salsa with tomatoes and stuff, but you can just like drizzle them on your tacos and they're really good. So we go there sometimes, and yesterday, being Taco Tuesday, we decided to go there. So for lunch today, I brought my second taco. I had 2 tacos. I ate the insides of one taco about yesterday. Actually, I think I ate almost, if not all, of the inside of the taco, and then today I ate just about half of one for lunch today, maybe 3/4. So it's really good though. My son got nachos, and he gets that a lot because he loves them, and it's huge. And Dennis got, I think, a steak quesadilla, something like that. I should have made them both, or maybe it was beef. Maybe Alex got steak nachos. I should have made them both get the tacos as they were on special, but I didn't. Usually we let everyone get whatever it is that they want, unless we go to a restaurant and they want something crazy, but that doesn't usually happen. Kind of feeling like barbecue tonight, so we shall see. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so it wouldn't be a very good night to put chicken on the grill for sure. I don't know what time Dennis will be home anyway. He said he was going to run to his mom's sometime this week. I don't know if that meant today or what day. I need to figure that out. I haven't talked to him today. So Alex got his cap and gown today, so that's pretty exciting. I'm so happy for him. And Katie has finals next week. She is getting a little nervous about that, but she will do fine. She always does great. And so Alex has, I think, 2 more weeks left of school after this week, and Katie has 1. And then she's going to be home for the summer, and I'm so excited to see her. So I see her on Sunday for Mother's Day. And then I actually had flowers sent to her for tomorrow, just to tell her I love her and good luck on her finals. And then I'm super proud of her because she's going to be a junior. It's crazy. So I had flowers sent to her, and then we sent flowers to Dennis's mom for Mother's Day, and that's why he's going to visit with her too. And let's see, that's about all I know right now about stuff. Taz is doing great. The cats are doing fabulous. Butter is doing great. So yeah, we are happy and healthy, and I need to do my measurements to see how much I've lost in inches, because my weight has stayed the same last week. So I weigh again on Friday, and all of that update is on my other channel, which is linked below if you guys are interested in any of the weight lossy stuff. And of course it's gonna rain today because Dennis washed his truck yesterday. But that's Murphy's Law. This keeps England, sorry guys. So I'm wearing color again today. I have a watermelon, that was the color of it, little cardigan thing on. Because it's sometimes chilly in the office even though it's warm out. And right now even though it's 81, it is overcast, so it's not like a hot 81. You know how that can be. There's a police officer behind me, so I better follow the rules. I'm a rule breaker usually. No, not too bad. I mean, driving rules I think I follow pretty well, except for sometimes I do have a lead foot. And then other times I'm like a grandpa. I don't get it. I don't know what my deal is. What about you guys? Oh, there's a Riviera Maya going up over there. Oh, that's nice. That's a yummy Mexican place. We love Mexican. My husband used to want Chinese all the time. And he hasn't wanted Chinese for a while. And actually that doesn't sound half bad either. Oh, and it wasn't even a police officer. He's passing me now. I don't think so. I think it's just a regular old truck or SUV. I have gum in my mouth, so I apologize. I have the Tic Tac gum. I did a haul on it. It's pretty good. It takes a lot. Like, I have 4 pieces in my mouth. And it's not very big. I mean, it's still a small piece of gum. 4 pieces might equal a stick, maybe, but I bet a stick is more like 5 pieces. And I like the mint flavor better than the watermelon flavor. And the watermelon flavor seemed to lose its flavor pretty quick. The mint will stay minty, but it kind of gets, I don't know, kind of stale a little bit fast. I don't know. It's not the best gum in the world, and if I didn't have my coupons and get them on sale, I wouldn't have gotten them, and I probably won't purchase them again. I like the idea of having little mints in my purse or something like that if I need it. I'm not huge into chewing gum, and actually after surgery they say not to chew gum. They say that they don't want you to swallow the gum, but I don't think that will be a problem for me. So I chew gum every once in a while, and I don't think it's a big deal. As a matter of fact, I think that sometimes mint gum helps soothe my stomach if I'm feeling kind of puny. So I like to keep mints or mint gum in my purse. I'm sure that works for other people too. Right? I know I'm not alone. So I guess I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna try to get a few things done tonight at home. Try to get caught up with some of my stuff I need to get done, which I have been lazy doing stuff. I've just been wanting to knit and watch TV or whatever. So, So I am heading, or I'm almost home, and I think I will let you guys go. But oh, and one of my best friends, Tracy, you guys have heard me talk about her, Tracy Plans. Her kitty cat passed away yesterday, and if you guys could think about her, say a little prayer for her, I would appreciate it, and I'm sure she would too, because she loved this cat. We all know how much animals mean to us, and this sweet little cat came to live with her about 4 years ago. His name was Lester, and he was an orange cat, and he's so cute. And I'll try to remember to put a picture at the end of this so you guys can see him. Something is going on here. I don't know what exactly. Oh, it's just lawn care, I guess. Anyway, I will try to put a picture so that you'll be able to see sweet Lester. But he came to her like 4 years ago because he was found and like almost gone then, and they didn't expect him to live through the weekend apparently, and she got him on a Friday, and he stayed with her for 4 years. So he had a great life, and she loved him a lot, and he was just so darn cute. So I just want everybody to think about her for a minute and just, you know, say a little prayer for her. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.